Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will cover method in Java. Method is a block of code. It is used to perform a specific action. It has a return type. Method helps in code reusability and it is also known as a function. In person class, print name is a method and inside print name method we are printing name. Print name method return type is void. That means this method will not return anything. So we do not need to use the return keyword at the last line of the method to return anything. This method name is getName and its return type is string. That means this method need to return a string value from the last line of the method. This method name is getAge and its return type is int. That means this method need to return an int value from the last line of the method. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.